Hello, this is Sam from Explain Everything. During this part of the course, let's look at three types of meetings and conversations that benefit most from the use of visuals. The first type is live conversations, whether they're in person or happening virtually, where a physical flip chart or a piece of paper is replaced with a digital whiteboard. Now, these meetings could be spontaneous or quick remote conversations where whiteboards are used to enhance explanations to benefit understanding. Whiteboards can also be used to support lecture-style presentations. An example of these types of presentations are a product pitch or a demonstration where there is room for questions and answers at the end to ensure maximum engagement. The whiteboard here acts as a medium, allowing the presenter the freedom of expression by the use of drawings, callouts, highlights, annotations, etc. to ensure the experience is memorable for all participants. During a strategic or planning session, the use of visuals can be essential for mutual understanding. These situations are more open-ended than presentations, as discussed previously, with the topic of conversation usually remaining unstructured. Therefore, clarity needs to be attained through discussion to ensure everyone is on the same page. Now, online whiteboards are great for these types of open-ended sessions where messiness is encouraged as a means to reorganizing your ideas. All participants have access to these materials, which allows them to create their own distinct perspective and weigh in on what's important. In the remainder of this course, we'll show you how to take persuasiveness and clarity up a notch by the use of a digital whiteboard in each of these three types of meetings. But first, let's start by familiarizing ourselves with the basics of digital whiteboarding.